Welcome back in second video of nodejs tricks tutorial. In this video we'll talk about how to create our first HTTP server. So before that, please subscribe my channel and let's go. In the previous video we have created our empty project by hitting npm init in cmd. For now we need to install some dependency. To do that we can just go to terminal and a new terminal. After that we will install some dependency. We can install any library or dependencies that we want by using npm. It's a node package manager. It's responsible to manage my packages. So let's install our dependency for our first HTTP server. We will install npm install, install express. So express, it's a framework with nodejs to work with API and HTTP. We will use it to make backend or API server. After express will install, it's installed successfully for now, and we have see that we have a new folder called node modules. Inside this folder we have all dependency in our project. After that we need to create our first file, server.js. Inside this we can make our const express equal require express, like this. So we have initialize our express, and we need to make app equal to express as a function. After that we can app dot listen onboard 3000, and we can make callback function, sorry for that, and put console.log server is running on port 3000. Okay, so how to run this file? We just hit node and the file name server.js. If we see this words, that means our server is running successfully. Let's create our first API to check if we have really HTTP server. So we can hit, sorry for that, app.get. We know our API it's have multiple kinds or multiple types: get, post, put, delete, batch, and other things. So let's make get hello. This is the route, and when we have this route we will call a function. This function will have two option or two argument, request and response. Request, it's that will come from user to our server, and response will return from our server to user. So just return response.json hello our first HTTP server. So we need to close this server and run again, and we can test it now. It's running. We can test this API by going to browser and put this route, and don't forget our route will be localhost port 3000 and the API called hello, and you see hello in our first HTTP server. If you change anything here, will appear on front side. Just we need to rerun the application and refresh. As you see, we successfully create our first HTTP server. See you in the next video.